Hey all, welcome to Tiny Cups. Today I'm going to be tasting two honey processed coffees. I'm going to be trying this coffee from Junto Coffee Roasters down in South Carolina. It's Brazilian coffee produced by Rafael Vinhal from the Minas Gerais region. They call the process a 3 times fermented honey process, and the variety of the coffee is a Catuai 99. I'm going to be trying it next to this coffee from Hydrangea Roasters. It's from China. It's also a honey process, and it was produced by the Nian Collective. It's a honey processed coffee, and the variety is DR132. So let's take a look at these beans. I'm excited to try these. These are the beans from Brazil. Adding some water. While these are brewing, let's talk about honey processing coffees. The essential component that defines this process is that the skin that's on the coffee fruit is removed, but some of the pulp or the mucilage beneath that is left on the coffee seeds as they dry. To demonstrate, I have a pluoc fruit here, because it has a similar anatomy to a coffee fruit. On the outside, we have this thin skin. Scientifically, it's known as the exocarp, and I'm going to remove it. Not how they do it when honey processing, but you get the idea. This is going to be messy. Ugh. So here's the flesh under the skin. On a coffee fruit, it's known as the mesocarp or mucilage or pulp. And beneath this would be the seeds that we brew with. But this is the mucilage layer that's left on while drying when honey processing. Some producers additionally use colors to describe the resulting coffees. Using a darker color, like a purple honey or a black honey, means that more mucilage was left on the coffee seeds or was dried in a way to more resemble a natural coffee. Lots of sweetness and body. Lighter colors, like a white honey or a yellow honey, usually mean that less mucilage was left on the coffee seeds, or it was dried in a way to be more similar to a washed coffee. So usually a little bit more clarity or acidity. A honey process tries to balance the best parts of a natural and a washed coffee, so having that acidity and clarity along with some sweetness and body. One benefit of this processing method is that a lot less fresh water is needed compared to a washed process. Let's do some more tasting. I've got a new tiny cup today made by a friend. Both of these are on the very light side. These coffees taste very herbal and earthy. I do get a little bit of grape from this, like the bag says. Both of these coffees tasted surprisingly similar, with low acidity, medium sweetness, and a light body and finish. The coffee from Rafael Vinhal in Brazil tasted lightly of vanilla and grape, with lots of herbs and earthiness. Imagine eating melted ice cream in a hot field. The coffee from the Yinan Collective in China was very earthy and nutty, with a round sweetness, reminiscent of coconut water. It was like working in your herb garden on a summer day. Cheers, I hope you drink some lovely coffee today from the tiniest of little cups.